We've all been there. We've been to Harbor Freight when they have a really good sale on things and you buy probably way more than what you need. And got these 18-inch US General magnet holders, and I completely forgot they don't have magnets on the back side. It's only on the front side. So you have to screw them into walls or things like that. I'm out of space on the places I can put these, and I've really wanted to put a couple of them on my toolbox on the front and on the back. These things do not stick. And so I'm going to show you a hack how you can get these for just a couple of bucks to stick on things like cabinets that are metal or toolboxes or refrigerators. So for $10 on Amazon, I got this Learay 6-pack of rubber magnets, and these things are pretty strong. They do say that it's 31 pounds per pull. And so these things have little M6 studs on it, and it does come with some nuts, and they are 10 millimeter. So if you got a 10 millimeter, you can easily put this together in just a couple of seconds. You put this on one side, this on the other, and then we'll go ahead and tighten it down. So just like that, just a few seconds later, you have it to where it is going to be able to hold on to a wall, a fridge, whatever you have, metal cabinets, and then be able to put tools right on there, which is going to be awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what that looks like on a fridge and on a toolbox. So it sticks right onto a fridge very easily, and then you can take all of your tools and put them on there. Just gives you a whole lot more space to be able to do things, and very functional. If you don't like it this way and you want it up and down, probably drop something, you can change up directions easily because it is just on there with magnets. So pretty cool right there. And then you can stick it on wherever you would like. And for about $3.30, you have the ability to have a whole nother layer of magnetic space to be able to put whatever tools you would like on here. And you won't really have to worry about how much it weighs because you got 60 pounds worth. It's probably more going to fall off of here. So you can just keep adding different things to this, whatever you would like. And voila, pretty easy hack right there. Just a few extra dollars allows it to turn into a magnetic on the backside. I do like that these are rubber feet. That's why I went with these. They also said you can even put these outside. So if you do have something outside, like a metal shed, and you wanted to be able to put tools or something like that, even if it was just temporary, you're able to do that. So pretty cool little hack here. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching.